Hi Joel, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
You're good. Okay, fine. I just want to know a few things about yourself outside the spinning life because most of our vlogs and videos are just about spinning, right? So now it's just a normal day in your life, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are we?
Wait, Oshibelo in the northern part.
Uptown Village. Anyways, guys. So now, what animals do you have here?
Okay, here we have chickens, rabbits, doves, pigeons,
Uh-huh.
guinea pigs, ducks. The fun is all in. Honestly, I'm afraid of goats. I am like terrified by goats. So I prefer walking with them.
Oh.
It's easier to catch.
Uh-huh. So what do you use them for, reproduction-wise? Eggs, meat. What? How do you benefit from the chickens that you are breeding here?
I get to eat a lot of chicken.
Okay. So you don't make any source of income from them at all. Using the terms, but okay. Anyway, so we are going on a tour, a little tour, just to save up to not to make the video too long. Just take us around a tour around the area, around the house, around the
Rabbits. These are the brownish ones. Then over here we have the black rabbits. Then over this side we have chicks. Small chicks. These are probably like two weeks old, if I'm not wrong. 2 or 3 weeks old. And then these ones are here. Are also chicks, but these ones are like 3 and more years old. Like, and here are guinea pigs. I don't know why, but we have guinea pigs. Okay, let's continue to the pigeons or doves. I'm not sure what they are. Over here we have doves, pigeons. I'm not sure what they are called, but yeah, we have a lot of them. Frillback, flat tail, a lot of funny names. And as we continue here, we have our kapoks. Kapoks are basically like chickens, but they're like, how can I say, small chickens, but they're grown. There's kapoks. Here's also kapoks, but these are just the males, and the other side is just the females. And as we continue over this side, what is this? Okay, the black and white chickens are the Sussex. We continue. Here's Sussex mixed with just the ordinary bamboo chicken, the brownish one. The black and white ones are Sussex again. Then here we have our turtles, some rice, some grass. And here we just have our male chickens. I don't know what they exactly call, but I know the black and white one is Sussex. The rest I don't know. I think it's just a rooster or something like that. The brown one all the way inside. And then here we have, okay, I'm not sure whether they say baby chicks, because these are also young. They all came from the incubator. This one's also young chicken, growing now.
What is an incubator?
An incubator is basically a machine that helps people, like, how can I say, it helps with hatching the eggs. You know, sometimes chickens, they don't really sit on the eggs for them to hatch properly, so like every Sunday we collect eggs, put them in the incubator for them to hatch, and then we can translate them. But then my favorite chicken out of all of them are these guys, the melons, with the long neck, the tall chickens. Basically, this whole morning, ever since woke up like at 7 p.m., we're cleaning everything, making the whole chicken yard and everything. So now that we're done, it's time to get breakfast. Then do whatever the day wants us to do: sleep, play cards, play dominoes, or just argue about random car nonsense.
So this is what you do when you're not spinning.
Not always, but
What are your other hobbies? What should we know? What do you enjoy doing besides spinning?
I like swimming a lot, but I only enjoy swimming in the ocean, like a lot. That's why whenever I go to the coast, I try and enjoy it as much as I can. But nowadays, so if it's not spinning, it's swimming. If it's not swimming, it's sleeping, I guess. What is happening? What is happening?
There's a sub-shooter.
Mas eu comecei aqui e spin.
Não estás a look family friendly channel. What do you call that one? What's the name?
Guinea pig.
Eh?
These are guinea pigs.
Guinea what?
So guys, just one quick question. What is the difference between a rabbit and a bunny? A hamster and a guinea pig. What is the difference? Because I really don't know.
The pig one.
Huh?
Doves and
Oh, the doves and the pigeons as well. What is the difference between the dove and the pigeon as well?
turtle and tortoise.
The difference between the turtle and the tortoise as well. Because I really don't know. I'm not gonna plan for this year yet. I'm sure there's a phase where if it happens or if something happens, it happens.
Who's this cute fella?
This is Brownie.